Another way to create your form is by using the form wizard. When you run it, it'll ask you a bunch of questions, you give it the answers, and then boom, in this case it'll create us a nice looking form. During the creation process, we can actually choose from the 4 different types of layouts. So to get started, come up here, click on the Create tab, go to the Forms group, and there it is, Form Wizard. It's got the little wand. Click on it. It opens up the wizard and it says, okay, here's the first question. What do you want this form to be based upon? Either tables or queries, or a combination of both. As you recall in an earlier training video, I could select one of them. Let me click on the drop-down arrow. You can see I've got all these tables in one query. I could go ahead and select one table, the employees, and then go ahead and add the fields over to the right-hand side. Select those. Select another table and add additional fields. As long as those tables are related, then it'll make sense in the form once we create it. In that, for example, customers are related to orders, so I could add both fields from the customers and the orders. So for every customer I see in the form, it'll have a related order. Hopefully all the customers have made orders. But to keep it simple, we'll just go ahead and choose the customers table, and then down below click on the double arrows to choose all the available fields, make them my selection so that they'll be added to the form. Click next. What kind of layout would you like? You've got 4: columnar, tabular, datasheet. Now the tabular and datasheet, really, the preview here doesn't do it justice. You'll have to try it on your own. But the datasheet just looks like the datasheet that you've seen in your tables and queries. The tabular is like a datasheet except it's fatter, it's bigger. It has a lot of space in between all these cells here. In any case, let's go tabular. Click next. And then what's the title of the form? Well, it's not going to be the prefix TBL for table. Let me delete that and call it FRM for form. And then also we'll say it's the customer form wiz. Now when I click finish, I can either open this up right in the form view so I can start entering in records. And again, when I enter the records in a form, because it's based upon the customers table, it'll go right into the customers table here, okay? So the form will show me what's in the customers table, but also allow me to modify, update, and enter in new records in the form that again is linked to the customers table and update it there. But with the form, I can control the layout. So if I want to modify the layout, then I can choose modify. So click finish. There's the layout. We'll learn how to modify our forms in the next training video. We're in the design view here, but if I want to go ahead and start entering in records, and I can switch from the design view by coming up here and clicking on the form view button. Automatically takes me to the form view, and then I can go ahead and, you've got all these records here. Scroll down just a bit. Here's a blank record. I can go ahead and start entering in the next record. Thanks for watching. Hey, as a quick reminder, if you like my video, please give it a thumbs up. You can also click on me and subscribe to my channel to get notified of the latest videos. And for great specials on my products, please see the description below this video.